And now if you look at these keys very closely, there's a little bit of a gap between the tops of the keys and the bottom of that piece of aluminum that I have on top of the keys. And that indicates that some of these key levels are off, especially these guys right here. This one's super low, so we're going to fix that today too. Key dip is another component we're going to look at. This one's a little bit low. Up here it's not too bad, it's fairly consistent. But see, this one's a little lower. And as we get closer to the center of the keyboard, key dip gets deeper and deeper, which is pretty common. A piano that's been played hard tends to get played the most toward the middle, and the extreme ends of the keyboard don't get played as hard, and so the punchings underneath the front rail punchings, excuse me, they get compressed more in the middle of the keyboard. Overall, key dip's not too bad. I've seen far worse. It's clear that this piano did get a lot of maintenance during its life. So nothing's extremely off. This one's almost correct. Getting a little low again. And now we're getting close to where it's supposed to be again. Oh, this one's spot on. Spot on, spot on, spot on. A little low, a little low. So that's going to be today's project. Key level and key dip. We're still seeing a few Basically, I was too conservative. It looks like the same keys that I tried the first time are still low, which means I should have used thicker punchings. And it looks like we have several sharps that are a little off square too, so I'm going to fix them on this round. I have two dip blocks here. One is a generic dip block and one is a Steinway dip block. Steinway has a slightly deeper key dip. So I'm going to check through this Yamaha and see if the Steinway key dip actually works well. And see right there, C8 is spot on. So I think what we'll wind up doing is using the Steinway key dip block, because the key dip is closer to that setting right now.